Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CapCut app video editing tutorial for beginners. So if you're new to video editing, you don't need to worry. I'll show you how you can edit your first video using the CapCut app step by step. No experience needed. So this is perfect beginner guide. So let's just go. First, if you want to use CapCut, you need to install and open the CapCut app. So download CapCut from Play Store or App Store. Open the app and tap on New Projects here and select your video clips or photos to get started. So here, let's say I'm going to just find video from the CapCut library. Okay, choose the video. And after that you can just tap on add at the bottom and CapCut will automatically import your media to the timeline. So to start, you can do basic trimming and cutting. What you need to do that, just tap on a video clip in the timeline and then you can use the split button to cut. For example, I'm going to cut the beginning of the video. You can hit on split and you can delete the unwanted sections. Tap on delete at the bottom. And after that, you can also drag to rearrange clips if needed, if you have more than one clip. So trimming is great for removing mistakes or shortening long scenes. And for adding tags, you can just tap on tags tool at the bottom, tap on add tags and type your message. You can use intro title or maybe captions. So I'm going to just go with like this. For example, you can change the font, color, style and add animations if you want to. Okay, here you can go to style to change the color of the tags, add some animations if you want to. Say I'm going to add this golden dust animation. Okay, you can see this is how the text looks like now. And you can also add music or sound effects. You can just tap on add audio in here and you can choose from CapCut library or import your own. You can click on sounds in here, and if you want to use your own from your own library, you can click on this folder icon, but you can use from CapCut. Here, let's say I'm going to just use this one right here. Download it first and tap on the plus icon. Now the audio will be added. And if you have more than one video, you can go add a transition and effects. Let's say I'm going to just split this clip like this, and to add a transition you can tap on the white square between clips and choose the transitions that you want. Let's use mix, for example. You can tap on the check icon. So now this is the clip with the transition. I don't know why it's like a... You can also tap on your clip to add effects by clicking on it and go to effects and choose from the trending visual effects in here. For example, I'm going to go add this luminance effect. Here you can adjust how long the effect will apply to your clips. And you can also add stickers and overlay. If you want to add overlay, just click on this overlay button, but if you want to add sticker, you can swipe and tap on stickers. You can also use elements like emojis, logo or cutouts and resize and position them anywhere on your screen. So to export your video, you can just tap on export at the top and you can choose your resolution by clicking on this ones right here. and save your gallery or upload directly to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. And that's how you can edit videos in CapCut, even if you are a total beginner. Like this video, hit subscribe for more tutorials and let me know what CapCut effect or trick you want to learn next. Also, don't forget to click on the thanks. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!